चतुर्थः पाठः स एव परमाणुः। विश्वस्य उत्पत्तिविषये नैके सिद्धान्ताः प्रतिपादिताः। Many theories have been propounded regarding the creation of this world. नैके प्राचीनाः सिद्धान्ताः कालवशतां गताः। Many ancient theories have expired. नैके नूतनाः च वैज्ञानिकैः स्वीकृताः। Many new ones are accepted by the scientists. Atom इति शब्दाः सर्वेषां सुपरिचिताः एव। The word atom is well known to all. आधुनिक विज्ञान शास्त्रे atom इति मूलकारणं द्रव्यस्य। According to modern science, the atom is the fundamental part of any substance. स एव element इति मन्यते. It is also called as element. प्राचीन शास्त्रे तु परमाणुः निर्मितेः मूलकारणम् इति कथितम्. In ancient science, Parmanu is called as the cause of creation. परमाणोः वैशिष्ट्यानि महर्षिणा कणादमहोदयेन वैशेषिक दर्शने कथितानि. The characteristics of Parmanu are told by sage Kanad in वैशेषिक दर्शन. अस्मिन् विषये अधिकं संशोधनं शक्यम्. There is a scope for more research in this field. अर्णवः जपाकुसुमं गृहीत्वा प्रविशति. जपाकुसुमं hibiscus flower गृहीत्वा taking प्रविशति enters. अर्णव enters with hibiscus flower. तस्य पिता विज्ञानस्य प्राध्यापकः. तस्य his पिता father विज्ञानस्य प्राध्यापकः. विज्ञानस्य science प्राध्यापकः professor. His father is professor of science. सः पुस्तकपठने मग्नः. सः he पुस्तकपठने reading book मग्नः busy. He is busy reading a book. तस्य पार्श्वे उत्पीठिकायां सूक्ष्मेशिका वर्तते. तस्य his पार्श्वे behind उत्पीठिकायां on the table सूक्ष्मेशिका microscope वर्तते is. There is a microscope on a table behind him. अर्णवः वदति पितः अस्माकम् उद्यानात् जपाकुसुमम् आनीतं मया. पितः ओ फादर अस्माकं आर उद्यानात् उद्यान garden उद्यानात् from the garden जपाकुसुमं hibiscus flower आनीतं bought मया I. Arnav said, "O father, I have bought a hibiscus flower from our garden." कियन्तः सूक्ष्मः तस्य परागकणाः. कियन्तः how सूक्ष्मः minute तस्य its परागकणाः pollens. How minute are its pollens? Translation of the whole line. Arnav said, "O father, I have bought a hibiscus flower from our garden. How minute are its pollens?" पिता वदति सूक्ष्मेशिकया पश्य तेषां कणानां रचनाम् अपि द्रष्टुं शक्नोषि. सूक्ष्मेशिकया through microscope पश्य look तेषां its कणानां रचनां formation of its pollen अपि also द्रष्टुं see शक्नोषि able to. Father said, "Look through the microscope, you will able to see the formation of the pollens." अर्णवः तथा करोति. Arnav does accordingly. पिता वदति किं दृष्टं त्वया? What did you see? अर्णवः वदति पितः अद्भुतं तत्. Pitah, O Father, Adbhutam Tat, it is wonderful. Shukshmakaneshu tasya angani drishyante. Shukshmakaneshu, of the little pollens, tasya, its, angani, components, drishyante, are visible. Arnav said, O Father, it is wonderful. Even the parts of those little pollens are visible. Pitah वदति, अर्णव, एतानि पुष्पस्य अंगानि त्वं सूक्ष्मशिखया द्रष्टुं शक्नोषि. एतानि, these, पुष्पस्य, flowers, अंगानि, parts, त्वं, you, सूक्ष्मशिखया, under a microscope, द्रष्टुं, to see, शक्नोषि, able to. Father says, Arnav, you can able to see these parts of a flower under a microscope. परंतु एतत् विश्वं परमाणुभ्यः निर्मितम्. परंतु, but, एतत्, this, विश्वं, universe, परमाणुभ्यः, from atoms, निर्मितम्, composed. But this universe is composed of atoms. ते परमाणवः तु सूक्ष्मशिखया अपि न दृश्यन्ते. ते, those, परमाणवः, atoms, सूक्ष्मशिखया, under microscope, अपि, also, न दृश्यन्ते, are not visible. Those atoms are not visible even under a microscope. Translation of the whole line. Father say, Arnav, you can able to see these parts of a flower under a microscope, but this universe is composed of atoms. Those atoms are not visible even under a microscope. Arnavah vadati, Parmanuhu namu kima. What is an atoms?